Hey guys, welcome, and this is how to send a self-destructing photo in Telegram. So, first thing is, of course, just simply open up the Telegram application and go to the message that you want to send the self-destructing photo with. Now, once you are here, for example, like me, select the clip icon beside the microphone icon down below at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now make sure to allow to take pictures and record video. And now from here, for example, I'm gonna select my camera and on my gallery. Now from here, guys, as you can see, you should be able to see here add captions at the bottom, and should be able to see number one. So just simply select that one. And as you can see, you should be able to see here, choose how long the media will be kept after opening. So it can only be view once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds. So pretty much this will be depending on you. Or you could go for do not delete. And there you go. Just simply select send. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.